It's a bike that really embodies a lot of what people think of when they think of a Harley-Davidson. It's an icon. It is a nod to classic Americana. My name is Brad Richards, and I'm the Vice President of Design at Harley-Davidson. The Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is a motorcycle in our Softail lineup that is firmly rooted in the DNA of the company. It is a very romantic look back at the bikes that really defined this brand. The first Softail debuted in 1984, which was the 1984 FXST. The chassis was really cool because the suspension was hidden. It was able to disguise that suspension underneath the frame. So that line that goes from the handlebars down to the rear axle really embodied our rigid bikes from the 30s and 40s and 50s. And so it gave you a very classic look. And so in 1986, Willie G. Davidson and the design team at that time saw that as an opportunity to create a bike for Daytona that really harkens back to the original 49 Hydroglide. A lot of the styling and a lot of the lines and the proportions come directly from that motorcycle. To the point that when we were actually designing this bike, we actually got a Hydroglide sent into the studio. So we had a museum piece sitting right next to this motorcycle as we were working through the clay model and the design of the bike. It was a nod back to the past, but every part of the motorcycle is new in the latest Harley-Davidson technology. Of course, the new Softail chassis being lighter and stiffer with this new architecture, the new powertrain, and the new design of the motorcycle, it absolutely handles phenomenally well. You kind of get all the nimbleness and the responsiveness of the Sportster, but you get it in a package that's really comfortable and very accommodating for a passenger, yourself, and enough luggage to go a few days on the road. It is a nod to the past, but now it's in a package that is extremely contemporary, and you can rip it through the turns and it loves it all day long.